Hey guys, it's me again. So tonight's gonna be kind of like a haul kind of night. Just gonna show you a few items that I received, and then I'll be back showing some projects. But this little haul is from Craaft Loove store, and let's just show you what I got. So I received this memory dex die, so cute, which matches this stamp right here. So you can put your name, your address, your phone, and your email. So it goes there. This one is the recipe card. I don't know if I have... No, I don't have the one. Do I? No. Okay, so we have this one. Then we have... Where am I? Oh, I got these numbers, which are super cute. And let me see what size they are. They're 2 inches, and it comes with this little like unicorn. So I guess you could put the unicorn on top with the hair on the side. I saw a few projects with it, so I thought that was kind of cute. And then this right here, I heard it's so you could put a gift card. But I'm thinking actually maybe I can use it as a little shadow box. We'll see. A tag. I think it's cute. Then I got these flowers, which I'm really liking this one. And it has like this little border. I got to see how this cuts, but I think this is going to make a really cute flower. So I can't wait to play with that one. Then I got some butterflies. Cute. I got some hearts, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hearts. Then I got this bag topper, and it has the layering piece. So I love that. And then I got this one, which is also memory dex card, and it's like, I think it's like those old-fashioned TVs. So I'll play with that one. And then we have another memory dex card, and this is like the luggage. I can see the little straps. This is cute. Maybe you could do like a 2-piece so you can write your information in the inside. Play with that one. And then these cute little flowers. Super cute. And then this is it's like a little stand. So if you're making a card, you know, you can stand the card, or maybe like a shadow box or something. Oh, here it is. So I do have it. So this is the memory dex that will match this stamp. See? Love. And then we got this kind of like this old-fashioned, what's this thing called? Camera. So this is my small little haul from Craaft Loove store. I'll put the link in the description bar. And I'll be back with another video. Bye.